Another hot day across central Iowa with highs in the 90s for a lot of us. Heat index eclipsed 100 again for many of us, including right around that in Des Moines. But things are about to change. Cold front is passing through Iowa as we speak. Later on this evening, we'll see those both the temperatures and the heat index numbers dropping to comfortable levels by 9, 10 o'clock. Temperatures in the 70s. So all in all, not a bad evening ahead of us. And tonight will be one of our cooler nights we have had in a while, with lows up north in the 50s, central southern Iowa low to mid 60s. Breath of fresh air heading our way during the overnight hours, setting the stage for a beautiful Friday, as temperatures at the State Fair for day 2 should be very nice, climbing to the low 80s during the afternoon under a mostly sunny sky. And probably most importantly for you folks, it's not going to be as humid as it's been the past several days. Highs tomorrow will be in the low to mid 80s for most of us, including 84 in Des Moines, right around that mark again as we head into Saturday, and then 83 degrees as we head into Sunday. Again, a really great stretch starting tomorrow, continuing through the upcoming weekend. In the meantime, parts of today have been soaking wet in southern Iowa. Most of the state hasn't had a drop of rain, but southern Iowa has had too much rain, especially around Appanoose and Davis counties. An estimated total of over 3.5 inches near Centerville, most of which fell earlier this morning. Estimated over 5 inches of rain around Bloomfield. So a very wet and busy morning for that part of the state, which actually helped keep them cooler than the rest of us. There is a chance at a few more storms there late today and tonight, so there is a flash flood watch in effect for both Appanoose and Davis counties until 7 o'clock on Friday morning. Thankfully, the severe threat has dropped quite a bit as we've gone through time, so there is a level 1 risk in far southeast Iowa for this evening and overnight tonight, but I think for the most part we are looking at a not much of a severe threat across Iowa as we move through the rest of the day today. So let's get to FutureCast. There's a cold front passing through southern Iowa right now, and that will be something that could trigger a storm or two in southern or southeast Iowa this evening. Most of us will avoid that though, and I think Des Moines will be dry as well. A few more storms are possible in southern Iowa and northern Missouri overnight tonight through early on Friday, but after maybe a few morning clouds in southern Iowa, it should be a mostly sunny and dry day on Friday, looking very pleasant as we close out the work week. So a lot to like about what's heading our way, including the lack of humidity. Humidity is going to be dropping in a big way tonight through Friday and the weekend. Forecast highs will be dropping as well to the low and mid 80s from Friday all the way through early next week. It does get a little warm by next Wednesday with a high of 89, and then we'll have a decent chance at more storms by next Thursday.